Hardware Products Company Limited is an well-established manufacturer since 2010. Our factory has 64 experienced workers and 3,100 square meters area. We got Disney, BSCI, and ISO 9001 certificated. We are professional manufacturer design, production, sale, and service of silicone car accessories and household supplier like silicone car key case, silicone water bottle, and steering wheel cover. 75% of our products export to Europe and South America, 150 different foreign countries. Our factory get production, development, and mold workshop. We are able to design, custom, and provide perfect solutions based on your request or even just an idea. In recent years, our factory has introduced a series of advanced equipment including silicone vulcanizing machine, silicone rubber molding machine, rubber mixing machine, silicone rubber cutting machine, air compressor, sand blower, PAD printing machine, screen printing machine, mold carve machine. We get professional QC department. All productions are strictly followed by standard. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. With professional sales team and support from customer all over the world, we will be better and better.